With the Gurudev's and Vaishnav's mercy, we are here. We are doing parikrama in Purushottam month in the Purushottam Dham, and we are listening to the kathas, and we are doing parikrama in Purushottam Dham. And the place we are at the moment, this is the place of appearance of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Prabhupada's birthplace. Here he appeared, Prabhupada appeared here. Bhakti Vinod Thakur prayed to Jagannath that please give me a son. And then after that, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, the consort of Jagannath, he prayed to Vimla Devi, the consort of Jagannath. Sri Jagannath, Lord Jagannath's consort, Vimla Prasad, Vimla Devi. And that's why Bhakti Vinod Thakur named the son Vimla Prasad after the Prasad of Vimla Devi. What is Vimla Prasad? Who is Vimla Prasad, who is she in the Golok Vrindavan? She is the dear Manjari of Srimati Radhika, and her name in the transcendental world is Nayana Manjari. So Bhakti Vinod Thakur also says that his transcendental form is Kamal Manjari. So Bhakti Vinod Thakur said to serve Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's desires, he needs help. He needs a help, and that's why he requested for Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. Whatever Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's prachar is here, it was by the mercy of Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Otherwise, it would have been hidden. The teachings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would have been hidden, because at that time, all the other sampradayas, they rejected Mahaprabhu's prachar. That's why Bhakti Vinod Thakur's, that's why he manifested Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada in this world, so that the prachar of the pure bhakti flows like the river in this material world. Because Bhakti Vinod Thakur's mercy, that's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's prachar is still going on. Now why is it? We know about the 6 Goswamis, Rupa Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, Gopal Bhatt Goswami, Jiva Goswami, and Raghunath Das Goswami. So they are the 6 Goswamis. So who is the 7th Goswami? The 7th Goswami is Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Who are these 7 Goswamis? They manifested the ichha, the desire of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's prachar. And that's why also 6 Goswamis did the prachar of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's ichha, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's inner heart desire. And also Bhakti Vinod Thakur also did the prachar of the inner desire, inner heart desire of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. If Bhakti Vinod Thakur Bhakti Vinod Thakur was not here, then nobody would have known the birthplace of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Navadip. Even Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, by the appearance of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, this prachar of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is when Prabhupada was a young boy. His name was Vimla Prasad. At that time, there was a Jagannath Rath Yatra going on. And when the Rath Yatra came here, it was stationary for 3 days at this place. Even the one inch, the wheel didn't move of the Rath. For 3 days, it stayed here stationary. So, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, whose little boy at that time was a few months old, he took the child upstairs on the Rath Yatra and left it under the lotus feet of Lord Jagannath. And the mala, the flower garland that was on Lord Jagannath, that fell down on the Bimla Prasad, the baby Bimla Prasad, and fell on him. And then after that, the Rath automatically started to move by itself. So Lord Jagannath is saying, how can I not move? How can I move from this place until I take the darshan of the maid servant who is so dear to Srimati Radhika? So that's why the Rath stood there in that place, and he did not move for the 3 days. Because Bhagwan is showing that it shows here that how Bhagwan, how the dear devotees who are so close, that are so dear to him, and he shows how he even waited, the Lord Jagannath waited here to have darshan of his dear bhakta. So that's why the flower garland from Lord Jagannath fell on the baby Vimla Prasad. And here Bhakti Vinod Thakur gave him a Kurma mantra to Bhakti Vimla Prasad, and also gave Harinam, Maha mantra. And Prabhupada was doing bhajan here. By the age of 5, he was an expert with all the Siddhantas. And after that, astrology, he also studied astrology, and he was expert in astrology. And everybody, even the Calcutta, the chancellor of Calcutta University was very impressed. So that's why he said, we want to make you the chairperson here in university. But Prabhupada said that I have not come here in this world for astrology. I have come here in this world to save all the living entities, how to move, how to progress in the spiritual life. So I've come here for the mercy of all the jivas here. So that's why and he also spread Sri Nam Sankirtanam. Anandam Buddhi Bharadhanam Purnam. So I've come here to save the jivas from this material world. So how can the jivas in this world can be saved is only by Nam Sankirtan. So that's how he did the prachar. In Kali Yuga, Harinam. So all the Shastras also mention that the only way to be saved in this Kali Yuga is by Nam Sankirtan. That's why Bhakti Vinod Thakur is Saptam Goswami. He's the 7th Goswami. And the Prabhupada, and then he did all the prachar around the world of Nam Sankirtan. And then he also khandan of Mayavad philosophy. And he did the prachar of the pure bhakti. This place is a very pavitra. Even you just sit here, then your chit, your consciousness becomes pure. Because this place is a birthplace of a pure devotee. It's very dear to us and it's very necessary for us. Because where the place where a pure devotee appears, there is no chance of the Maya here. So this is the speciality. When the Shastras say the specialities, that where a pure devotee resides, that place is pure. Then he did all the prasad, and then he went to Navadip and he got the mantra from Gaura Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj, and then he started to preach. This place is the appearance place of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. Whoever comes here, taking the birth and death, in this cycle of birth and death, we can be saved from the cycle of birth and death. So we don't have to come back, take birth in this world again. So we have to pray here. We pray here that how we can be saved from the cycle of birth and death. Ad ki jai, Gaur ki jai, Sankirtan ki jai, Gaur ki jai, jai, Nande Hari Hari Bol.